For this installation, you will need a trim tool. This is where the low beam is located. First, open the hood. Starting on the driver's side, remove the dust cover by twisting it counterclockwise. Twist the bulb counterclockwise. Disconnect the halogen bulb using the trim tool. These are the 3 lock-in rings. Connect LED plug to stock harness and test it. This model is polarity sensitive, so if it does not turn on, flip the connection 180 degrees and retest the bulb. Install the LED light and turn clockwise all the way until fully locked. Adjust the pigtail to point at 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Put the cord back inside the housing and put the dust cover back on, then twist clockwise. Now, repeat on the other side. Remove the dust cover by twisting it counterclockwise. Twist the bulb counterclockwise and remove it. Disconnect the halogen bulb using the trim tool. Connect LED plug to stock harness and test it. Install the LED light and turn clockwise all the way until fully locked. Adjust the pigtail to point at 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock. The LED chips should align on the left and right sides. ALA lighting LED light versus halogen light. There will be a clear cutoff line. ALA lighting offers advanced LED lights for automotive.